everyone. Arigato to success. What is arigato? And how does this simple 7 alphabet words can lead you towards success? And how we can help you in getting your arigato so that you can lead to your success. So let's find out in today's Thoughtful Tuesday with me, Coach Vaishali from Aspire. Arigato is a simple Japanese word which means gratitude or appreciation. How do we appreciate? How do we have a feeling of gratitude inside us? It's by a simple technique, 2 words, thank you. How does this thank you helps you towards success? What is thank you? So thank you for the air you are breathing in. Thank you that I'm alive. Thank you for the wonderful family and friends, and thank you for the people from whom I have learned. Thank you for the little achievements, bigger achievements. Thank you for the career which I have chosen for me. In simple words, thank you for everything which you can appreciate in your life. That is arigato. Thank you for the soul inside you. Thank you that you are eating a healthy food, that you have a food in your plate. Many people are not, have these things. Thank you that you have a vision, that you have an eyesight. Thank you that you can talk. Many people are not even blessed with these blessings. Thank you that you can walk. So simple thank you can actually helps you in leading towards success. Now how can this arigato can help you? How does this thank you helps you in getting to your success? The feeling of thank you, the moment you say thank you, it will have a positive perspective. It will help you towards thinking in a positive direction. It will change your perspectives to a positive perspective. It can kill the negative energies. It can, whatever grudges you are holding inside, it helps you in, getting them released. Be free from the fear and insecurities which you have inside. That is how this thank you is so powerful, and you can have this in you, and it will simply shift your energies towards the positivity. Let me give you an example. For an example, you have earned rupees 2000 and you have a thank you inside you, and you are saying thank you that you have earned this 2000 rupees. So this thank you will give you the power to multiply the 2000 rupees. Why and how? Because you will have a high emotional question, we call it EQ, because you will have the power that how you can multiply the 2000 rupees with no fear and insecurities. So just imagine that if you have fear and insecurities, and if you have that 2000 rupees, you will have the fear and insecurity of losing it. Maybe you don't have the power that how you will multiply that 2000 rupees. If your emotional question, which we call EQ, if you don't have thank you in you, that is low. Just think about it. Think how the simple thank you can help you in converting your money to double. Let me also give you an example of emotions. If you have a positive emotions and you know the power how to multiply this positivity, this emotions, then do you think you can be successful, right? Yes. Simply, that's how the power of arigato, that is what the power of thank you in our lives. Now how we can help you? We will help you in changing this vibrational frequency of your body, of your mind, of your soul into the positive one, towards more close to the success. The more you have thank you, the more you are closer towards your success. So we have a workshops, we have a modules which you can join, and then you can change your vibration frequency of your mind, body and soul towards the success. We help you, we will reconstruct, we will help you in reconstructing your brain, your thinking patterns towards arigato, so that you can have your success. We can help you in first killing those negativity, cleansing it, and making you sure that this negativity will not come back to you again, and then to have the positivity. And then when you have this shift of energy, when you have this shift, then you will have arigato, you will have success in your life. So thank you for watching this Thoughtful Tuesday with me, and make sure to log in on www.actspire.co to enroll yourself in these small workshops. Arigato is equal to success. Thank you very much. Goodbye.